Welcome back to Rena MoMoney Plus videos. I'm Rena MoMoney, and today we're going to be talking about the 2 free websites that all wholesalers must use. The best 2 free websites real estate wholesalers should use. Today we're going to talk about the features of the best 2 sites to use and how to navigate through them. So come on in. Before we get started, as you know, I like to give shout outs. And if you'd like to be mentioned on my next Rena MoMoney video, go ahead and subscribe. Subscribe now because I randomly select subscribers to mention on the next Rena MoMoney video. So today I want to give a shout out to Russell J and also to Jamaica L. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you for being there. Continue to watch. Continue to make yourself a better you. So thank you, Russell J and Jamaica Lane. So let's jump right into the 2 free websites that all wholesalers should use, a must use, to get information, to get features, to get tips and tools, and to find out a lot about their property. The number 1 website that all wholesalers should have access to and should use is Zillow. Zillow.com. You've heard of Zillow before, but let's go over some of the features and the difference between Zillow.com and the second site, which is Redfin. Both sites should be used if you are a wholesaler, and I'm going to tell you why. I've been investing in real estate since 2003, so almost 20 years for me, and I still love to use Zillow. Even with the experience, I still often go to Zillow. I actually pull up Zillow every day, and I also look at Redfin. These are the 2 sites that you'll be able to use and master and get a lot of the information that you need. With Zillow, you have filters. You can use filters. You have pictures. You can see the for sale by owner. They used to even have the contact of the for sale by owner, but now they have the brokerage, or where you can get in contact with the seller or the person that's representing the seller. Zillow have a lot of features that you can capitalize on to help you into determining good deals. They can give you a good comps. Comps, again, remember, is comparables. Zillow have filters, when houses was last sold, pictures, and more pictures. Again, remember I said if you only see 4 or 5 pictures, run. Zillow gives you pictures. And remember, I said you definitely want to look for a house that has more than 2 or 3 pictures. Because remember, I said 9 times out of 10, if it's only 2 or 3 pictures, they're hiding something, and you should run. With Zillow, you can see more facts and features. You can scroll down and just take a look at the facts and the features, the square footage, the size. There's so much you can see free through Zillow, all in one spot. You also even have the rental management. So once you become a landlord and once you have some rentals, you can actually go on Zillow and post your rental, and then they'll send out an application as well. Zillow is for landlords and for wholesalers, for investors that's looking for different information on the house, on the seller. So Zillow is literally number 1 in free. And the other free site is Redfin, Redfin. With Redfin, you can sort by the price, you can sort by the square footage, you can sort by the bedrooms, all with 1 click. Some would say Redfin is a little easier than Zillow. Switch back and forth and determine which one works best for you. I still like Zillow, but I am finding that Redfin does have a few more features. A few of those features are you don't have to leave the page, and it also works a little bit better than Zillow if you're on your cell phone. So if you're doing a search on your cell phone, Redfin kind of works a little bit better. Also, I find that the home page is a little bit easier than Zillow. But again, it is preference. But these are the 2 sites that you definitely can look at for free and get a lot of information on the property. And one of the most important information is comps, comparables. It'll give you a good estimate on the price of the property, the price the area is going for. Redfin will even show you the price per square foot. It also show you pictures. It also show you old pictures if the property was listed once before or 6 months ago or a previous listing. So you'll be able to see old pictures and you can see what was done from the new pictures versus the old pictures. Redfin will also give you the brokerage name. So you have Redfin that has a lot of features that you can use, and Zillow. Two good free sites. Now, also, there's other sites that give you the same information and a little bit more. But these two are free. And if you like what I've given you so far, if you've liked this free information, please take time out to subscribe to the channel. It helps out the channel. Also, I give shout outs. So I will be randomly selecting subscribers for the next video and giving shout outs. If I've said anything that's going to help you out or that has already saved you money or is going to make you money, make sure you click the like button or at least subscribe. If you need extra help, you just need someone to give you that one-on-one, then schedule a coaching call with me. Look down in the description below. You'll see a link with Calendly.com/Rena MoMoney. Schedule a coaching call. You can do 15 minutes or 30 minutes and I can help you out, and it will be a one-on-one with me. So again, thank you for staying to the end. Each video will be jam-packed. Be sure to watch the next Rena MoMoney Plus video. One of the best tools in Zillow is the rental management. You can actually start managing your rentals for free on Zillow. Now, it does cost $9.99 for a week if you're going to post your ad for an application to get tenants. But for the most part, Zillow shoots out to thousands and thousands because everybody uses Zillow. Everybody uses Zillow just like everybody uses Craigslist. So you can actually manage your rentals on Zillow and have Zillow send out a potential tenant the application. They'll even keep up with your rentals for you. It's like a little CRM where it's listed or not listed. You can add your pictures on there. You can add a description on there and place an ad. So Zillow is a great tool to use as well for rentals, for rental management. And you want to keep that in mind. Zillow is used by realtors, and it's a great source to even start reaching out to some realtors that you can tell have distressed properties. There's a long list of things, a long list of features for different sites. So get familiar with different sites. Get familiar with the free sites. Get familiar with the cheap sites. So I hope this video was helpful. Hopefully you got something out of it, and hope the free tip and tool in reference to the free 2 sites that you can use to start this journey on your real estate. As you continue to be a better you.